Today I am going to show you uh, 3 methods of creating ebooks and which I found it the best. Actually, I used ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Actually, ChatGPT is a chatbot, and chatbots are designed to communicate, to give response, or to chat. So when we ask them something, always they consider us communicating with us. So chatbots are not agents. I mean, it is very good to know the difference between chatbots and agents. But chatbots like ChatGPT also have potential to act as agents. To act as agents, we should clearly tell them to act as agents. For example, ChatGPT, I asked it first to produce an ebook. Like, for example, I just instructed it to create ebooks of this as a source. This is just text. It is rough text, and I wanted it to create a workbook out of it. That is like text. We can give any text of ebook, and my purpose is to create a well-designed like product, a good ebook. And I gave it instructions of how I want the ebook to be. Like this example, the details should be multi-page, and it will have cover page, 7 sections, interactive pages, and the details of what a workbook should have. It is an ebook that is not going to have my text, but it serves as an additional accompanying book to another ebook. So it replied to me like this, because chatbots are just if we give them directly any instructions, they just are designed to respond as chatting to us. So it chatted to me like this. Just it gave me how it is done, like this. The details, it means it is just telling me, giving me the detailed information, and so that I can do it. Like asking somebody how it is done, and it tells you, oh, it is done like this, like this, like this. But if it was agent, it will do it and give you. That's the difference. So if it is chatbot, it tells you, oh, it is done like this, like this, like this. Just explains to you, and gives you information. And it depends how we actually prompt. If you prompt chatbots like ChatGPT, they are designed to give you information like that. But if you change the prompt, like for example, I just asked it why you don't give me like an agent. It tells me the difference is an agent is made for workflow automation and execution depth. If 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 you give the job to an agent, it will just hand you over the work. So tells me to ask him to act as an agent. So I asked him how should one prompt to so that ChatGPT can act as an agent. It gave me this a master prompt for agents. Just told me to ask him like this: you are acting as a full autonomous production agent, not just a conversational assistant. Your task is to complete the entire project end to end with minimal back and forth. Do not stop at outlines, suggestions. Generate actual finished deliverables. Make reasonable design decisions yourself. Fill missing gaps. Professional create production ready outputs. Workflow requirements. Analyze the source material. Plan the structure. Automatically generate all written content. Design layouts and visual hierarchy. Just like this, and outputs polished, visually designed, commercially usable, ready for PDF export. So it asked me, it gave me to ask him like this so that he will act like an agent and give me what I want, the ebook. So actually, so it created the ebook. After I asked him like that, using that prompt, it created this ebook. It's not perfect, but generally it was what I want. I mean, like this. Actually, it is this that I wanted from the start. Now it designed every section, everything about the ebook. It acted like an agent and it gave me this. So it depends how you prompt ChatGPT. If you prompt it correctly, it gives you, it acts in a way that you want. But I also have tried, for example, James Brock. This is an AI agent, but this AI agent is designed to act as an AI agent. So it doesn't need to be prompted to act as an agent. It knows its job is to be an agent, and when you give it job, for example, directly produces the ebook. For example, it made this. made like this ebook. I want to now this is specially designed to be an agent, so it doesn't need to be prompted to act as an agent. Just it's like uh, an employee you give job, so it acts and does what you acted. Like if you see it, the ebooks is much better designed. Like you see, it's better designed. So actually, agents they uh, have different qualities because they are designed differently. So this is what this agent Jensbrock did it. You see it, everything is designed to be like to look like professional because this is special agent. You see the spiral, how it is designed, it's so nice. The designs look so designed very carefully, better detail, and it has background, so it gives better design, like we see. The other I tried is Manus, and Manus actually is one of the best agents. For example, I gave it actually I first developed a skill. A skill means it is written compiled instructions that will make it deliver what you want or do what you want. So these skills already, either you can find it in the Manus skills directory, or you can also create your own skill. For example, you do some job, you ask it to do some jobs in some way. When you ask it, it will follow some workflow, some steps to deliver you the final job. So after, for example, trying and trial and error, you arrive at a good deliverance of jobs. You can save that as a skill. You can tell it, please save this as a skill, and it will save it and give you a skills file download. And it is that which I uploaded to it to create for me book, since I have already created another book, ebook, and I wanted to repeat it. So I saved it as a skill and uploaded it now, and I asked him to use this skill and create another ebook. Actually, it generates very good ebooks, well designed ebooks, and you can also edit it. You can tell it, for example, add this, remove this, add more details, So the best way actually it generates good looking ebooks is by generating as image. It generates the ebooks as image, but they are very good. So I rate it. I gave it the first the best ebook maker is Manus, because for example I created this using Manus. It generated it like this. So it generates very professional looking ebooks, but it generates it as image as I think. So I found the best is Manus, and the second is this James Brock, generated like this. And the third is ChatGPT. ChatGPT being after being asked to act as an agent, you must ask it to act as an agent. So thank you for being with me. Please subscribe and help me. Have a nice day. See you the next time.